India logged 24,354 new COVID-19 cases, taking the total tally to 3.37 crore. Active cases declined to 2.73 lakh. The death toll climbed to 4.48 lakh with 234 fresh fatalities. Active cases currently comprise 0.81% of total infections. The national COVID recovery rate was recorded at 97.86%. Responding to India's decision to impose reciprocal quarantine measures on British nationals arriving in the country, the UK has said that it will continue to engage with India to expand recognition of COVID vaccine certification. This comes after India announced that UK nationals arriving here from Britain will have to undergo mandatory 10-day quarantine from October 4th, weeks after the UK imposed similar restrictions on Indian travellers. India is going to play one of the most important roles on planet Earth in bringing this COVID pandemic to an end, United States Agency for International Development Administrator Samantha Power said, underlining that the country has made investments over a long period of time in expanding its vaccine manufacturing capacity. India will resume the export of surplus COVID vaccines in October under the Vaccine Maitri program and to meet its commitment to the COVAX global pool.